Nursing and midwifery interview questions and answers. Hello, you are welcome. In today's video, I'm going to give you nursing and midwifery interview questions and how you are going to tackle this question. Okay, so watch this video because by the end of this video, you are going to know how to answer midwifery and then nursing interview questions, and then it can help you pass your midwifery or nursing interview. Okay, so let's go straight to the point. Okay, there are some likely questions when you go to nursing or midwifery interview they can ask you. Okay, yeah, so this video going to give you all the questions and then how you are going to answer them. Okay, so let's go straight to the point. The likely question they can ask you is, why do you want to become a nurse or midwife? Yes. When they ask you this question, how will you tackle this? How will you answer this question? Okay. So this is how you are going to answer such question. Okay. Yes. I have always wanted to help people, especially in times of need. Nursing or midwifery will give me the skill to care for patients and support their recovery. I also admire how nurses and midwives impact life every day. Okay, so this is how you are going to answer this search question if you may be asked in your interview. Okay, yes. And the next likely question they can ask you is, what are the duties of a nurse or midwife? Yes. So what are their duties of a nurse or midwife? Okay, so when they ask you this question, how will you answer it? Okay, yes, we know that for nurses or midwives, they care for patients, giving medication, monitoring vital signs, assisting in childbirth, and then educate patients on health and then hygiene. Okay, so these are the duties of a nurse or midwife. Okay, so when they ask you this question, this is how you are going to answer this question. Okay, yes, feel free, relax, and then talk. Okay, yes, so this is how you are going to tackle it if you may be asked in your interview. And the next likely question they can ask you again is, how will you handle a difficult patient? Yes, so if they ask you this question, how will you tackle this? Okay, this is how you are going to answer this search question. I will stay calm, listen carefully, and then show empathy. I will try to understand the reason behind their behavior and do my best to meet their needs professionally. Okay, so this is how you are going to answer it when they ask you. Okay, so what are the likely questions they can ask you again? Yes, the next likely question they can ask in your interview is, what are your strengths? Yes, they want to know your strengths. Okay, if you meet any difficult situation, how would you handle it? Okay, so I am patient, reliable, and then good listening. I work well under pressure and enjoy helping people. Okay, so this is the easy way you can answer. Okay, and if you have any different question, you can use that one. Okay, so this one I'm just giving you example and how you're going to tackle this question. Okay, and the next likely question they can ask you again is, what will you do if you are not selected? Yes, this one is very important. If you didn't get admission this year, what will you do? Okay, yes. So this is how you're going to answer it. I don't know how you answer it, okay, but I'm giving this this for you as an example. Okay, so you know how to answer this question. If it's me, this is how I'm going to answer this question. I will not give up. I will prove myself, gain more experience, and apply again next year. Okay. because I am determined to become a nurse. Okay, so if you answer it like this, you will say, wow, sure, it's your passion to become a nurse. So if you doesn't get admission this year, you really wait for next year and then gain admission. Okay, so these are some of the likely questions when you go to nursing or midwifery interview, they can likely ask you. Okay, and this is how you are going to answer them. Okay, yes. Thank you for watching it, and then see you in my next video. Here is Nursing Mirror channel. Please click the subscribe button for more videos. See you next time.